Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie dough. Start with cold butter, all-purpose flour, ice water, and a pinch of salt. These simple ingredients are the foundation of a perfect pie crust. Keeping everything chilled is key to achieving that wonderful flaky texture we all love. We'll combine them carefully to ensure a tender and delicious result. First, cut your very cold butter into small, even pieces. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour and salt. Now, add the butter to the flour mixture and use your fingertips or a pastry blender to work it in until it resembles coarse crumbs. Then, slowly add ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough just comes together. Once your dough forms a ball, gently flatten it into a disc shape. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is essential for the butter to firm up and for the gluten to relax. When ready, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin, then roll out your dough evenly. Carefully transfer your rolled-out dough into your pie plate. Trim any excess and crimp the edges for a beautiful finish. If your recipe calls for it, you might need to blind bake the crust before adding your filling. Always follow your specific pie recipe for baking times and temperatures to ensure a perfectly golden and delicious pie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.